Hello, hello. Welcome back to Podcast by MrB.
Hi, everyone. We are so happy you are here today.
Yes, grab your coffee, grab your tea, grab your water. Just sit with us for a few minutes.
Or grab nothing. Just bring your ears. That's enough for today.
True. Ears only. No coffee needed, just ears.
Okay, Mr. B, quick question before we start.
Okay, ask me.
When you were a small boy, what did you want to be?
Oh, easy question. I wanted to be a singer. A big singer.
Really? You, a singer?
Yes, I sang every day in my room. My hairbrush was my microphone.
Hairbrush. Oh my God, Mr. B.
Don't laugh. I was very good in my room, alone.
Only in your room. No stage, no fans?
My fans were my two pillows. Very quiet fans, very good listeners.
Pillows don't clap, Mr. B.
They clap in my imagination. Very loud clapping, actually.
I can imagine it. Two pillows clapping like crazy.
Exactly. Best audience in the world. Okay, and you, Anna, what was your dream?
I wanted to be a teacher. I taught my dolls every single day.
A doll teacher? Tell me more.
I said, sit down, open your book, no talking. Very strict teacher.
Wow, strict even for dolls.
Very strict. My dolls learned so fast. Best students ever.
So funny. But even now we still have dreams. Different dreams, but still dreams.
Yes, that's true. And that is our topic today.
Dreams and goals. Big dreams, small steps, in easy English.
Perfect for you, our beginner friends. You don't need hard words today.
If you don't understand one word, no problem. Just relax. Just listen to the story.
And before we start, one small favor, okay?
Yes, if you enjoy this podcast, please click like.
And subscribe to our channel, Podcast by MrB. It really helps us.
And write a comment. Tell us what is your dream. Big dream or small dream, we want to know.
Okay, let's start the show.
Okay, Anna, first question. What is a dream?
A dream is a big wish, something you really want for your life.
Okay, example please.
Maybe you want to speak English very well.
Or maybe you want a new job.
Or a happy family, or your own house.
Yes, that is a dream. Big and beautiful.
And what is a goal?
A goal is small. A goal is one small step for your dream.
Dream is big, goal is small.
Yes. Example, your dream is, I want to speak English well.
And your goal is, I will speak English 5 minutes every day.
Small goal, big dream. They work together.
Like a team.
Yes, dream and goal, best friends forever.
Best friends forever. Okay, I love this.
So today, we want to share our real dreams with you. Real, honest, no secrets.
Yes, let's be brave today.
Okay, I want to share my real dream today, right now.
Tell us, Mr. B.
My dream is I want my own English school one day.
Oh, wow. A real school? With a real building?
Yes, small and cozy, big windows, nice chairs, and coffee for everyone.
Coffee is very important in your dream school.
Very important. Coffee first, English second.
Okay, so what is your small goal for this big dream?
My goal is small. Every day, I write 1 page for a new lesson.
1 page every day? That's it?
Yes, just 1 page. Not big, but every day, no excuse.
So little by little, your school grows.
Yes, slow but real. Every page is one small brick for my school.
I like that. 1 page today, 1 school tomorrow.
Maybe not tomorrow, maybe in 5 years, but yes, one day. Okay, your turn now, Anna. What is your dream?
My dream is to travel to many countries and talk with local people in English.
Nice dream. Where do you want to go first?
Japan. I want to eat ramen in a small shop in Tokyo.
A food dream. I understand this dream very well.
Yes, food is a big, big part of my dream.
Okay, so what is your small goal for this big dream?
My goal is easy. Every month, I put a little money in my travel box.
A travel box, like a small bank for Tokyo ramen.
Exactly. Not much money, just a little, but every single month.
So slowly the box gets full.
Yes, and one day, Tokyo ramen.
One day, Tokyo ramen. I want to come too.
Okay, you can come, but you bring the coffee.
Deal. Okay, friend, now it's your turn. Yes, you listening right now.
Think quietly in your head. What is your dream?
Take a small moment. Big dream or small dream, it's okay. There is no wrong answer.
Good job. Now think of one small goal for that dream.
Just one small step. Small is okay. Small is actually very good.
Perfect. Now you have a dream and a goal. That's wonderful, really.
Write it in the comments if you want. We read every comment. We really do.
Yes, and we get so happy when we read your dreams. But, Mr. B, sometimes life is busy. We forget our dream.
Yes, so busy. Work, phone, family, sleep, more work.
And Netflix. Netflix always says, watch one more episode.
Netflix is very convincing, very dangerous for dreams.
So, what can we do about this?
One small trick, same time every day. For me, it's after dinner.
Yes, not sometime. Sometime is a dangerous word.
True, sometime usually means never.
So choose a real time. Morning coffee time, bus time, before bedtime.
Small time every day. That's the real secret.
And what if we miss one day? What then?
No problem. Just come back the next day. Your dream is very patient.
Yes, your dream doesn't get angry at you. It just waits.
Come back, come back, come back. That's the secret. Not perfect, just patient.
My dream is more patient than my mother.
Every dream is more patient than a mother.
But also, Mr. B, don't wait for the perfect day to start.
Right. There is no perfect day. Only today. Only now.
Today is a little messy, a little busy, but it's still today.
And today is enough. Today is always enough.
Mr. B, can I share something a little personal?
Of course, always.
When I told my friend about my English studio dream, she said, "That's too hard for you."
Oh, that hurts. That really hurts.
Yes, it hurt a lot. For one whole week, I felt very sad.
You know, sometimes people say no because they're scared for themselves, not because of you.
Really? Scared for themselves?
Yes, maybe they have a dream too, but they're too scared to try, so they say it's hard to everyone.
That makes me feel a little better, actually.
You don't need everyone to believe in your dream. You just need a few people. And you.
Yes, me. I believe in me.
That's it. Say it louder.
I believe in me.
There you go. Okay, Anna, can I tell you my little secret trick?
Yes, please. I love secret tricks.
I write my dream on a small paper and I put it on my mirror.
On your mirror? So you see it every morning?
Yes, every morning, brush my teeth and see my dream. Open my English school.
That's actually really smart. My eyes forget things, but paper doesn't forget.
Exactly. Paper has a very good memory.
Okay, I want to try this too. Maybe I put Tokyo ramen on my fridge.
Perfect place. Every time you're hungry, you see your dream too.
Double motivation, hungry and dreaming at the same time.
You can also write your goal next to your dream. Small words, big meaning.
So simple, right? Just paper and a pen.
Yes, no expensive app, no special notebook, just paper on your wall.
Try it today, friend. Write one sentence. Put it somewhere you see every day.
Your bathroom mirror, your phone screen, your fridge door, anywhere is good.
And every time you see it, your brain says, "Oh yeah, I remember. I'm still going."
Small paper, big power. I really believe this.
Small paper, big power. I like this new phrase.
Okay, time for word tour. 6 easy words from today's episode.
First word, dream.
Dream. A dream is a big wish for your life.
Example, my dream is to speak English well.
Next word, goal.
Goal is one small step for your dream.
Example, my goal is to study 10 minutes every day.
Next word, busy.
Busy means you have a lot to do.
Example, I am busy today. I have many tasks.
Next word, patient.
Patient means you can wait without getting angry.
Example, be patient. Big dreams take time.
Next word, cozy.
Cozy means warm and comfortable.
Example, I want a cozy home with a soft chair.
Last word, step.
A step is one small action.
Example, 1 step today, 1 step tomorrow.
One more word before we finish. Confident.
Confident means you feel sure and strong inside.
Example, I feel confident when I speak English now.
Great job! 7 new words today, friend.
7 words. Your English brain is getting bigger every day.
Bigger and bigger, like my coffee cup. Now, let's play our favorite game, Say It Better.
I say a simple sentence. MrB makes it better.
I'm ready. Give me your best.
Simple sentence. I want to speak English.
Better sentence, my dream is to speak English confidently.
Nice. Next one. I do a little every day.
Better, I take 1 small step every day.
I really like that. Last one. I stop, but I come back.
Oh, better, I'm patient with myself and I always come back.
Beautiful, MrB. Really beautiful. Okay, one more. Simple sentence. My dream is big, but I am small enough for it.
Let me think. Better, my dream is big and I am strong enough for it.
Ugh, I love that one the most.
Now you try these sentences too, friend. Use them today in your real life.
Say them out loud, even alone in your room, like MrB and his hairbrush.
Hey, don't bring the hairbrush back.
Too late. It's part of the show now. Oh, before we finish, MrB, can we say thank you to someone?
Yes, who?
Last week, a listener wrote in the comments, "My dream is to work in a hospital. My goal is 1 new word every day."
Oh, I love that. 1 word every day. So simple, so strong.
Yes, if that's you listening right now, thank you for sharing.
And to everyone else, we want to hear your dream too, really.
Your comment might be the one we read next time.
So don't be shy, type it out. Even 1 sentence is amazing.
Okay, friends, that's our episode for today.
We talked about dreams and goals and small steps every day.
Remember, big dream, small step, every single day.
And if you miss 1 day, no worry. Just come back tomorrow.
Before you go, please click like on this video.
And subscribe to Podcast by MrB. New episodes every week just for you.
And in the comments, tell us, what is your dream?
We really read every comment, every single one. We love your stories.
Thank you for spending this time with us today.
Keep your dream close and take 1 small step today. Not tomorrow, today.
This was Podcast by MrB.
Simple English, real life, every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye-bye, friends.